Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, western Jefferson County in west central Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from Eau Claire to Moraine State Park and were moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Moraine State Park, Eau Claire, Hooker, Chicora, Brady's Bend, East Brady, Sligo, Reimersburg, Climax, New Bethlehem, Kittanning, Fort City. This is a dangerous line of storms. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Most Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Jefferson County, Pennsylvania,